Usually languages consist of numbers, punctuation, and words. In other words, every language has its own syntax. Programming languages also have their own syntax. That's why, before we start writing our first scripts, we need to learn the basic elements of JavaScript. The first concept which we are going to discuss is a variable. What is a variable? A variable can be compared to any container or basket that you can put something into. Just as we can put different types of products in the basket, so are there different types of variables in JavaScript. JavaScript includes 5 types of variables. The first, number. This can be any number. For example, in this basket, we can put the numbers 5, -6, or 3.14, and so on. The second, string. This can be any text. Words, sentences. For example, the word vertex. The sentence, life is great. The third and fourth are null and undefined. This is when our variable doesn't have anything, meaning the basket is empty. We will talk about the difference between null and undefined a little bit later. And the fifth one. Boolean is a special type of variable. It can only have 2 values, true or false. In this video, we discuss what a variable is in general, and the different types it can have. In our next videos, we're going to elaborate a bit further on each variable individually. That's it, guys. See you in the next video.